guys, I'm so excited. I am taking out my tape extensions and I'm going to be removing them with new remover. I haven't tried, so I'm super excited for that. I got this system. I wanted to try it because I thought it was really cool because it's all in a system. And this is the remover 1, which just neutralizes the stickiness. And then this is remover 2, which actually takes the tapes off and helps remove it from your hair. And then this also removes the residue. I've had tapes in before and the residue was always like left on my hair. So I really wanted to try this out and we'll see how it goes. Okay, remover 1. I'm gonna go in here like so, and I'm just gonna spray that on there. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit just for a couple of minutes, maybe like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go in like this and try to poke them apart, okay? So, and just like that. See, it came out of my hair. Voila. I'm gonna go in with remover number 2, and I'm gonna spray it. And this is to get all that residue off.